Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable aeroplane mode option in our realme phone from phone setting. So guys, you have enabled your aeroplane mode and guys you want to disable. So friends, how can you disable it? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your aeroplane mode setting guys. So as you can see this type of settings, so friends click on guys your phone connection and sharing option. Friends, tap here, and friends you can see your hotspot setting is not working. So friends, when you will disable you can use your hotspot setting. So you can see airplane mode setting, friends, right side tap here, then guys your airplane mode will disable, and guys you want to use your hotspot setting, friends, you can use from here guys. Airplane mode will disable, and guys you can use your mobile data, guys you can watch guys YouTube, and guys you can use guys your app now. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with the topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.